Okay, next from 122, which is nearest?
124.
Next from 124, which is nearest?
183.
How much? 183 minus 124.
59.
So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Number of cylinders, how much you will get?
Two not eight.
How much?
208. 208.
Right. So that is the answer for your problem. Okay. So when you apply your shortest seek time first for the problem, the number of cylinders will be obviously reduced. So previous scheduling algorithm, it was 640. Now it has been reduced to 208 cylinders. So clear with this? Okay. Hope you understood how we have solved this one. Okay. By considering the shortest cylinder from the current cylinder position, we are moving, we are making a travel. Okay. And we are counting how many cylinders we have traveled from the beginning till end of the cylinders. So totally, what is the answer? 208 cylinders was the answer. So is it understood to all of you? Right. Next. Okay, so this is one more scheduling technique. I will try to do this one and we'll try to wind up the today's session. That is scan scheduling technique. Okay, so in scan scheduling technique, what happens is our read-write pointer will be moving to one side of the disk. Okay, either to the left side or to the right side. It is left up to the users who are solving the problem. Any one side it has to cover first, then it will move to the other side. That's how the scan scheduling algorithm will work. So you can observe here. So this is your left side of the disk, that is your right side of the disk. Your scan scheduling algorithm will work by moving to one side of the disk first, then it will move to the other side of the disk. Okay, that is called scan scheduling technique. So when it is moving to one side of the disk, what are all the cylinders it is getting? So those cylinders will be first moved. Okay, then when it is moving to the other side of the disk, what are all the list of cylinders it is getting? So those cylinders will be get serviced, or those cylinders will be get traveled under. So that's how your scan scheduling algorithm will going to work. Okay, any one side you want, you can take. Either you can take to the left side or you can take to the right side, not a problem. Okay. Okay, observe this. This is the initial position of your read-write pointer 53. So we will try to move to one end of the disk. So I will consider the left end of the disk. So I am assuming that my read-write pointer is first traveling towards the left end of the disk, then it will move to the right end of the disk. Okay. So left end of the disk ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ cylinders ಬರ್ತವೆ? Left end of the disk. Which are the cylinder numbers you are going to get at the left?
37, 14.
37 and 14, correct? So those cylinders will be traveled, or those cylinders will be visited. Fine. So which is the first cylinder it will be visiting from 53?
37.
How much? 53 minus 37.
16.
Next, from 37, which is the next cylinder?
Fourteen.
Next, 37 minus 14, how much?
23.
How much?
23.
Okay, now observe this. All the cylinders to the left part are over, correct? Do you have any other cylinders left towards the left part?
No, sir.
No, that is end, correct? Now what it will do, Andre, in your scan scheduling algorithm, whenever all the cylinders to the one side of the disk is over, it will reach the end. What is the end of your disk? What is the end of your disk? This one, no, 0. So it will make a movement to the end of the disk. So from 14, it will move further to 0. Then it will make a movement to the other side of the disk. Okay, even though that number is not given in your problem, but in scan scheduling algorithm, it works like that only. It will reach the one end of the disk first. Then it will make a movement to other end of the disk. Okay, so from 14, it will be moving to the end of the disk, that is 0. Okay, so I will write here 0. So it has touched the end of the disk now. So that movement also we have to consider now. 14 minus 0. 40. Okay. So that movement we have to consider because it has made a movement from 14 to 0. That movement value we have to consider. Now, which are the cylinders which are coming to the right side of the disk?
$65, $67, $98, $122, $124, $183.
65. So you write here 65 minus 0, 65. Next it is 67. 67 minus 65 is 2. Next from 67 it is 98. So 98 minus 67. How much? 98 minus 67.
31.
Next from 98 you are moving to 122. How much? 122 minus 98.
24. 24.
Next from 122 you are moving to 124. And finally from 122 to 183. How much? 183 minus 124.
59.
You just add them and tell how much cylinders you are going to get. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Two 36. 36. 36. 236.
Okay, so that is the answer for your problem. So this is the third problem, third algorithm, scan scheduling algorithm. Okay, so using this scheduling algorithm, the number of cylinders was 236 cylinders. So clear with that? Okay, so you can also consider the right part of your disk. Okay, then the diagram will look like this. It will be moving to this end of the disk first, and later it will be moving to the left side of the disk. It is left to you. You can choose either solving to the left side first, then go to the right side, or you can choose solving from right side first and then go to the left side. So it is left to you. So ultimately you have to remember this, that in scan scheduling algorithm, it has to reach the end of the disk. Okay, so that is this. I will just make an highlight. So I have written here end of the disk. It has to reach the end of the disk, either to the left side or to the right side. Then only it will be moving to the other side of the disk. Okay, that is what your scan scheduling algorithm is all about. Okay, so right, the problems are very simple and very easily you can score marks in this kind of problems. Okay, fine. So let us end the today's session. So thank you for joining. So we'll try to continue the remaining problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.